Hi, our topic for today is how to use conditional formatting with icons in Power BI, just like what we're seeing right here. We have, it's like a table visual with two different sales for 2 years. One is 2023 and the other one's 2024. And we have the difference of the sales for those 2 years. And then we have an icon. If it's a positive change, we have the green up arrow. And if it is a negative change, we have the red down arrow. So that's what we're going to discuss in our short tutorial for today. So let's go to the next page. So we just have here the same table visual we have from the previous page. We have the company name, year 2023, 24, and then just the variance or the change or the difference of sales between those 2 years. So now how can we add the icons as a conditional formatting? So let's select the year-on-year delta, right click, conditional formatting, and we will choose the icons. So we are going to choose rules, values only, and what field should we base this on? That is going to be based on the sales year-on-year delta. Icon layout, we are going to select right of data, but of course you can choose other options here. Alignment would be middle, and the style is, let's just choose this style for the meantime. Now we have rules here. The first rules that we are going to set is for the positive variance. So if it is greater than, let's change this to number, greater than 0 but less than, let's change this to number as well. Just delete this and that will automatically change to max. Okay, let's reverse the icon so it goes to green. So this is going to be the positive change. If it's greater than 0 and less than the max number or the max value number in the column of our variance, it's going to be an up green arrow. Next would be for the 0. So if it's equal number 0, then what is our icon? Our icon would be, let's just select this yellow dash. The last is if it is greater than equal, that's correct. Number will just retain the minimum, and less than number 0, then it's going to be the down arrow, right? Let's delete the last one. We don't need it. Okay, so the last, let's just double check the last rule that we have. If it is greater than or equal the minimum number that we have in our data set and less than 0 number, then it's going to be the down arrow in red. So let's click OK. Okay, so now we have the icons on the right side of our number. If it's a positive, we can see the up green arrow. And if it is a negative, that's red. So let's try to sort this out. That's all green. Let's sort ascending. That's red. Sort descending. It's all green. All right. Thank you for watching and see you next time.